Hey everyone, Paula here. So today I want to go over a report that you'll find in your Finance tab, and we will look at specifically the Transaction Statistics report. There are several ways that you could pull information from the report. You could request it to be printed, which means basically the report will be displayed on your screen and then you'll be able to save it as a PDF for later use. Or you could request a system to pull it as an Excel sheet. The advantage of doing the Excel sheet is that it allows you, of course, to add information. So you want to add some columns, some lines, you could do so and then save it. Regarding what data is going to be showed, so you could request for a summary or you could go detailed. So I'm going to go detailed for now, and then I'm going to put in my dates that I want to look at. So I'll say July 1st to July 8th, and you then just hit submit. This is your report, so a statistics report for Rebecca Stone for the period over here. What we see are her listings. We will also see any deals that were created during that period. So we notice here that there are multiple deals on her listing that was created during that same period. Okay. Any canceled deals will show up and all your closed deals. You will see for every category or step, I should say, what are the amounts, which side did you represent, and how much will you get for that transaction? So you get your totals in the end. Okay. At the bottom of this report, you get a summary, not with the amounts, but rather with the numbers representing each step. So, okay, for this period, July 1st to July 8th, I got one listing, I got 3 deals, I got one canceled deals, and I closed a deal. All right. So it's a fun report just to give you a quick view of where you're at. If I go now back to this page and I show you what does the summary look like. So let's go and pull the summary report for those same dates. I hit submit. You will see new listings, so the same categories, however, they're going to be summarized. Here we see that there is one listing and the total amount for that listing. You see your new deals. You don't see that there are 3 new deals. You just see the total amount. Okay, so everything is summarized right there for you. So that pretty much sums up the transaction statistics report. I hope it was useful to you. Use it well. Take care. Bye.